The following content is provided under WISA Mechanism Group.
Today we will be explaining a very important theory in algebra, which is solve for a term. In this question we will be solving for y. And what does solving for a term means? Solving for a term means that to make this term y equal to the rest. So you have to simplify this term to the power 1. This is what means when it asks you to solve for something. It asks you to solve for y. You have to make y to the power 1 equal to the rest of the problem. And this is what we will be doing right now. So the first thing we want to do is we want to simplify this first. So what we are going to say is that we have y squared minus 3 to the power 1 over 5. Right? I just want to explain something real fast. This means to the power half. This means to the power third. And it goes on. Okay? So right now we want to simplify this, which will be, this is equal to 7. So the first thing you want to do is you want to simplify for the outside, as we explained in our previous examples, which means that we will not multiply, but right now what we are going to do, we will make this to the power 5 and make the other term to the power 5. If we make this to the power 5, this will be y squared minus 3 to the power 1, right? And this will be 7 to the power 5. 7 to the power 5. The number, I think it's in the calculator. If you put it, it will give you 168.07. I put this number, so I didn't solve it. I just put this number in the calculator. So to simplify for this, we are going to say y squared equal, this is going to be 168.10, because plus 3, and we have y squared, so we want to get rid of this square, so we're going to say y equal plus or minus the square root of 168.10, and this will give us square root of this. We have y equal positive 41 square root of 10, or y equal negative 41 square root of 10. Here is another example of how you can solve for a term. In this problem we have two terms. So we have y in here to the power half, and we have another y to the power 1. What we are trying to do is to make one term, one y in the power of 1, but we have two. So what we are going to say, what we are going to do is we are going to take this 4 to the other side. Usually, or sometimes you might do a method and then you don't come up with the right answer, and then you want to try another method. So if you try a method and it didn't work, try to do another method. Otherwise, do it again. You might did a mistake. Who knows? Believe me, like in algebra you'll do a lot of mistakes. But right now what we are going to do is we're going to say that the square root of 4y plus 1 equal to y minus 4. Sounds good? Right now we have this square. We want to get rid of this square. So we say that this is to the power 2 and this is to the power 2, which means we have 4y plus 1, because this will get rid of this, which is equal to this one, which is y squared minus 8y plus 16, right? Why? Because we have a theory which says that x minus y equal to x squared minus 2xy plus y squared. Another theory is x plus y squared, which is equal x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. You have to make sure that you know all the theories, all the rules. So in here we have this term, we have this term, we're going to combine those terms together. So what we are going to say is y squared. What I'm going to do is, usually I like to have everything in this side, on the left side. This is how I like to solve a problem. If you want to just bring everything in here, that's fine. But we are not going to change any sign, since I'm going to move everything in this side. And I'm just going to say y squared minus 8y plus 16 equal to 4y plus 1. I didn't do anything. I just took this term, put it in here, took this term, put it in here. That's it. Which is equal to y squared minus 8y, but we have in here, if this goes to the other side, this is going to be negative, so it's going to be minus 12y, and this is negative, is going to be negative in here, which is going to be minus 15. So this is our answer, but we still didn't come up with what we are looking for. We are going to write it again. We have y squared minus 12y minus 15 equal to 0. We need to find what does y equal to. This is what the question asks for. So what is a, what is b? The value in here is a. The value in here is b with the sign, and the value in here is c. So we solve for this. It says negative b. We have negative 12, which is going to be 12 plus or minus square root of b squared. 12 squared is 144, which is 144. Negative 4ac. We have a is 1, c is 15, and we have negative in here. A is positive, c is negative, so it's going to be positive, because negative multiplied by negative is negative, and it's going to be 4 multiplied by 15, which is 60, divided by a squared, which is 1, right? Yes. Wait a second, it's not a squared. Divided by 2a, I'm sorry. Divided by 2a, which is 2. This is our answer. This is how you come up with your answers for y. And we can solve for this. So y equal 12 plus or minus 2 square root of 51 divided by 2, which is equal to, this is going to be 1, this is going to be 1, this is going to be 6. So it's going to be 6 plus or minus square root of 51. So we have two answers, y equal to 6 plus square root of 51, or y equal to 6 negative square root of 51. This is how to solve for y. Let me know if you have any questions.